Hey guys, Cody West here with Radius Outfitters, and Augie's helping me out today. Anyway, I just wanted to share a pro tip here about the Aluminess Nerf bars that I'm using here. I like this product for a step. They're probably not robust enough to be a true rock slider, but I feel like I've kind of figured out the install here and just wanted to share that with folks. I've seen a lot of guys installing these Aluminess Nerf bars, and they end up being really spongy. And I'm 235 to 240 pounds depending on the time of day, and my Nerf bars are rock solid. I used the Aluminess hardware, but I think the trick that I use that makes this install go a lot better is that I almost pre-tension this whole assembly by kind of forcing it up. I used wood blocks, front, rear, and center to kind of load this thing, preload it, and push it up higher than I actually want it to be at its final resting place. And then while it's pushed up snug, I make all my bolted connections. And then as I release the pre-tensioning load, so I release the blocks and allow the Nerf bar to relax a bit, it just ends up being a much more rigid connection, radically so. I mean, I've stood on some that I feel like I'm gonna bend it or break it off of the van, and these do not feel that way. These are rock solid. So anyway, that's my pro tip for Aluminess Nerf bars. All right, guys, take care.